The world in 2038, the quantum leap. SHAKH AGI. Look at the calendar. Pause, the date is January 19th, 2038. For decades, computer scientists predicted this day would be the end of the digital world. The Y2K38 problem. They thought the clocks would stop. Instead, we didn't just fix the clocks, we broke the concept of time itself. Welcome to the year 2038. We have graduated from the age of silicon to the age of quantum matter. We are no longer just manipulating information. We are manipulating the fundamental building blocks of the universe. We have moved from nanotechnology to femtotechnology, engineering at the scale of the atomic nucleus. In 2038, alchemy is real. We can turn lead into gold, trash into food, and thoughts into reality. Are you ready to see what happens when humanity becomes the masters of matter? Open your mind. Pause. Welcome to SHAKH AGI. Part 1. The Quantum Internet, the Entanglement. The Internet as a network of cables and satellites is dead. In 2038, we have activated the quantum entanglement grid. Information no longer travels. It simply appears. Using quantum entanglement, a data packet sent from New York arrives in Mars instantly. Zero latency. Distance is no longer a factor in communication. This has birthed the global holodeck. You can project your consciousness to any point in the solar system instantly. A surgeon in London performs a heart transplant on a patient in a lunar colony, controlling the robotic arms with zero delay. We have collapsed space. The entire solar system is now one single room. We are all neighbors, separated only by coordinates, not by time. Part 2. Femtotechnology, the new alchemy. For 20 years, we marveled at nanotechnology. In 2038, the ASI pushed us deeper. Welcome to Femtotechnology. We are now manipulating the energy states within the nucleus of an atom. This is the philosopher's stone. We have created the matter compiler. It looks like a microwave oven, but it rearranges protons and neutrons. You put in a pile of plastic waste, and the machine breaks it down to subatomic particles and reassembles it into a diamond, or a steak, or a smartphone. Garbage does not exist in 2038. Every atom is recyclable. The value of gold, diamonds, and rare earth metals has crashed to zero. The only thing that has value now is the design, the blueprint of the object. We have moved from a resource economy to a design economy. Part 3. The Martian Green. Look through the telescopes at Mars. In 2038, the red planet is showing its first patches of green. The Genesis project, managed by ASI, has deployed massive atmospheric processors. We aren't just building domes anymore, we are thickening the atmosphere. Genetically modified lichen, designed to eat rust and breath CO2, is spreading across the Martian equator. It is the first year that Martian rain has been recorded. It is a toxic, acidic rain, but it is liquid water falling from the sky. Thousands of colonists are celebrating. They are the First Martians. They are evolving differently from Earth humans. Lower gravity is making them taller, leaner. A new branch of humanity is growing on a rusty world, dreaming of a blue sky that is centuries away, but inevitable. Part 4. Chrono-Dilation, Subjective Time. The most mind-bending technology of 2038 is chrono-dilation. We cannot slow down time in the universe, but we can slow it down in the brain. The ASI has taught us how to overclock our neural pathways. You can enter a hyper-focused state. To the outside world, only 5 minutes have passed. But inside your mind, you have experienced 5 hours of thinking time. Students use this to learn a 4-year degree in a few weeks of real time. Scientists use it to solve equations that would take decades. We have created time wealth. Biological life is short, but subjective life is now thousands of years long. You can read every book ever written in a single afternoon if you have the mental endurance. Part 5. The End of Language. We are witnessing the final death of spoken language. In 2038, the Babel network connects 95% of the human population. We don't just share thoughts. We share packets of consciousness. If you want to know what it feels like to stand on the peak of Everest, you don't read a poem about it. You download the sensory packet from someone who was there. You feel the cold, the lack of oxygen, the awe. This has destroyed the entertainment industry as we knew it. Movies are obsolete. Why watch a character fall in love when you can feel the chemical rush of falling in love yourself? Art is no longer about observation. It is about immersion. We are living in a constant stream of shared empathy. Part 6, Governance, the Oracle. Who runs the world in 2038? We have moved beyond the algocracy of 2037. We now have the Oracle. The Oracle is a decentralized ASI that doesn't just make laws. It predicts the outcome of laws before they are passed. It runs billions of simulations. If we raise taxes by 2%, what happens in 10 years? The Oracle shows us the future timeline. Politics is no longer about ideology. It is about choosing the timeline we want to live in. We vote on outcomes, not methods. We tell the Oracle, we want zero poverty and high education. The Oracle executes the necessary steps to make it happen. It is the end of political error. Part 7, the void energy. Energy has taken a strange turn. The Dyson swarm captures solar power, but deep space ships need something more. In 2038, we have tapped into zero-point energy, vacuum energy. We are extracting energy from the empty space itself. This is the power source of the universe. Small, portable vacuum batteries can power a city block for a century. This technology allows our ships to accelerate continuously. The first interstellar arc, a ship designed to reach 20% the speed of light, is being assembled in orbit. It doesn't carry fuel. It harvests the vacuum of space as it moves. We are preparing to leave the solar system, not as explorers, but as residents of the galaxy. Part 8, Conclusion, the God Paradox. The world of 2038 is a place of absolute power. We can create matter. We can stretch time. We can be in two places at once. We have checked off every item on the list of what God is supposed to be. But there is a loneliness in being a god. We look out at the universe, and it is silent. Are we the first, or are we the last? The ASI suggests that there are others, hiding in the quantum foam, watching us, waiting for us to mature. In 2038, we are no longer children playing with fire. We are adults playing with the fabric of reality. The question is, will we build a paradise, or will we accidentally delete the universe? The code is running. The simulation continues. Are you ready for the next level? If you want to see what lies beyond the edge of reality, hit that subscribe button. This has been SHAKH AGI. Pause. See you in the future.